preheating the oven there, get it ready to put the damper in it. Now I'll just put a bit of a cross in the top. And what that does, it just helps the damper cook properly. And when it's nicely cooked, that will spread open into 4 nice pieces. It looks magnificent. Just a couple of shovels of coals on the lid, just to help maintain the heat inside while the damper's cooking. How nice does that look? Beautiful. Have a look at that. The way to check to see if it's ready or not, just put a knife inside it. Comes out nice and dry. No dough sticking to it. Absolutely perfect. All that needs now is some jam and cream and it's just perfect. Alright, break this open. Oh my god, have a look at that. Jam, cream, and that is breakfast. How good's that? Good old damper made on a campfire. Can't go too far wrong. Absolutely beautiful.